Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today to do a used book haul. Our local library had a book sale, and when you go in they give you a brown paper bag, and you fill that brown paper bag up and as full as you can, and you only pay $5 for the entire bag. So I don't know how many books I got, but several. I did fill the bag right up, but then I stopped as soon as the bag was full. I did not go back and get a second one or anything. But first I have, these two were not included. These are actually $1 because they are new releases. And the first one I got was Beach Read by Emily Henry. So it looks super good. I've seen that a couple places. And then this is a memoir of autism and hope. And it says, I Have Been Buried Under Years of Dust by Valerie Gilpier and Emily Groden. So, yeah, I have that one to read. And so each of these, let's see, the new release paperback was $1, and the new release hardback, I believe, was either $2 or $3. So I picked up those. And then for all the ones that I got in my little bag, the first one I got is The Rescue by Nicholas Sparks. So I'm going to be doing a lot of reading this winter. I love Nicholas Sparks books. This one is a Nora Roberts book, Imagine Us. And I also love Nora Roberts. And then I've been wanting to read this one, Truly Madly Guilty, Leanne Moriarty. And so this is like a suspense. So I picked that one up. And then I got the Kid Table. We all know what the Kid Table is, and this one is by Andrea Segal. The Kid Table, when you have family dinners and stuff. Best Friends Forever by Jennifer Weiner. And then I got The Underside of Joy by Sierra Prince Halverson. Oh, that's really big print. It shouldn't take me long to read that. And then I got Not Her Daughter by Rhea Fry. I got The Pact by Jodi Picoult. I can't remember. It's a love story, but I can't remember if I've read it or not. And then I got Mercy by Jodi Picoult. So they're making these books just a little bit taller. Love Jodi Picoult books. I got In This Mountain by Jan Karen. It's the Mitford series books. And then also in the Mitford series, I got Come Rain or Come Shine by Jan Karen. That looks pretty new too. And then I got Miracle for Jen. It is a true story by Linda Barrick with John Perry. It says a tragic accident, a mother's desperate prayer, and heaven's extraordinary answer. So I picked up that one. Next one I got is Chestnut Street by Maeve Binchy. I love her books also. They're usually a cozy read. And then I got The Stolen Marriage by Diane Chamberlain. I got Three Wishes by Barbara Delinsky. I like her books as well. And then just a couple more. I got Chasing Sunsets by Karen Kingsbury, and this is the second in a series. And so I'm going to have to look for the first one. But she's like a Christian writer. And then Kristen Higgins, Now That You Mention It. And then the last one I got was What Mother Never Told Me by Donna Hill. And it's about family secrets. So yeah, that's quite a few books I'm going to be reading this winter. So if you enjoyed this book, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know, what book are you reading right now? That way I can look it up, see if I might like it. Tell me a little about it. And let me know, have you ever been to a book sale like this, a library book sale? So I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.